Range check.
3.
Southbound range 1, attachments.
Negative words, press.
Range. Cobra check. 2. Dog pound Cobra taxi in 10 micrometers.
Negative words, maneuvers.
Dogpound range off at 4-2.
Copy 4-2. Rage 2-2, go ahead.
2122, 10 minutes out, code 1.
Copy 10 out, code 1, Rage 2-1, Rage 2-2.
Range 2-3 check. Range 2-3 check. 4. Dogpound range 2-3 times.
Rage 2-3 off at 4-2.
2-3 and 2-4 only. Down on the hour.
Copy, down on the hour. Calling dog pound, go ahead. Off at 4-2.
Pound range 2-1, update code 3, engine.
Copy code 3, engine. Any details?
Just the 013 MFL.
Dog pound.
Dog pound, X-ray base, Cobra. Flight is down with times and codes.
Go with your op time.
Off at 0755, down at 0945. Cobra 111213, code 1, code 4, code 2 MMC.
Dog pound, copy.
Cobra 4, X-ray.
Go for Cobra 4.
You have MMC issues?
Yeah, and MMC reset, lost everything, and then everything came back normal.
All right, when you get it, can you run it through a couple MMC bits, make sure everything comes back up, and then you should be good. You're allowed up to 3 restarts in 45 minutes.
Dog pound, Cobra 1.
Right.
Did you see when you were flying Red Air the other day, the Cobra Ox Freak had ATIS on?
A-verb.
Yeah, we should try and work a permanent change for that freak so we're not playing the guessing game and garbaging up anyone. You can maybe just mention that.
Yeah, can you bring it up in the mass debrief for the admin portion so the air boss can work it too?
I will. I just didn't turn up for a second ago, but I'll do that.
Yeah, I'll work it from my end if you can work from your end as well, thanks.
You bet.
Go.
And then when you had your restarts, do you have any MFLs?
Stand by. Only MFL is MC030. They get a MMC degraded PFL.
And that's just the MC, nothing after that, and then 030 for the MFL.
Hey, firm.
Copy that. Once you did the bits, were you able to clear that out?
I haven't done it yet. Just got to the chocks.
Copy that.
X-ray base, tail 082.
Go.
Yeah, we're in the bit. I still have the 030 MFL.
And can you read that off to me one more time? MC with nothing after that, and then a 030 MFL is not in any of our cards or FI.
Yeah, MC18 and then 030.
There we go. Copy that.
Copy anything else, otherwise I'm shutting down.
I'm going to look that up real quick. Oh, great. Right back here.
Copy.
Go before us, right? Yeah, that won't clear with the manual summary. But,
Dog Pound, Cobra 1-1.
Go ahead.
Yep. You want to pass to correct, pass the second down for 2.9 mark cars, so 2.900 to at least 905. They're off by a point. They're labeled correctly, the 900 points are wrong.
Okay, the 900 series points are wrong in the can.
Yeah, and I think I just heard Rage starting up, but I haven't heard him on this radio yet. You can pass that to them too.
Local, thanks.
Or just make them double check it. Theirs could be correct. I'm not sure when the file got jacked up.
Okay.
Dog Pound, Cobra 1-1, taxi words.
No worries, press.
Dog Pound, Cobra flights off at 34.
Cobra off at 3-4.
Rage 2-1, check. Great. Dog Pound, Rage 2-1, taxi words.
No worries, press.
Dog Pound, Rage off 47.
4-7.
Okay.
Dog Pound, Weasel, taxi words.
No worries, have a good flight.
Alright. Dog Pound, Weasel's off at 39.
39, see ya.
Thanks, just give him a call if you don't mind.
Dog Pound, Rage 2-1, downtimes and codes.
Sorry, say again.
Rage 2-1 is off 47, down 57, both code 1.
4757, code 1.
Rage 2-3, check. Dog Pound, Cobra 1-1, downtimes.
Off at 3-4.
Down at 0-0.
Cobra 1, X-ray. Cobra flight, X-ray.
Go for Cobra 3.
You guys all come back code 1?
Hey, firm, all code 1.
Copy that, thanks.